Hi there. Welcome back to our video series on websites. Today I'm going to show you a very easy way to tell if a website is what we call responsive. The term responsive refers to how a website will respond when viewed on a device other than a desktop or laptop computer. As you probably know, the world is going mobile and people are investing in tablets, smartphones, and other devices with touch screen technology rather than desktop computers. So it's more important than ever that a website be responsive. Well, let's take a look at the homepage of U by Design websites. And before we look at the responsiveness of this site, I want to review what's on the homepage. You can see we've got several bands of content, and they're all centered in the page. Some of them are nice and big. This is a Rev slider, and you can see that it's working quite nicely. Then we have a call to action. We've got some features of our websites, website design and development in 3 basic steps, followed by another call to action and our content in the footer. If we go back up to the top now and we click this restore down little icon, you can see that the window changes shape. And what we're going to do now is to drag it into the center and watch it respond. First, take a look at the navigation. You can see how it's starting to wrap, and ultimately it turns into this style of a menu, where the user, if they were viewing this on a smartphone or a tablet, could click right here and see the navigation. And as we go down, we can see that all of the content is still on the page. Let's drag it in a little more to simulate a smartphone. And here you can see that at that point, the badge is wrapped and returned to their original size. There's still links to interior pages. Here's the Rev slider. You can see that the sentence has gone onto 2 lines. We call that wrapping. And you can also see that it's still working quite nicely. Our call to action, our website features, they've changed shape. Website design and development in 3 basic steps, followed by our last call to action and our footer content. So all of the content on the home page is still there and easily viewable on a desktop or laptop or smartphone or tablet. Now let's take a look at this page from eHow. And this is a page on how to kill moss on your lawn. And as we go down and look at the page, we can see it's got content. The main content is here in the center, and we have some over here on the right sidebar, a few advertisements. And you can see that there's footer content. Let's go back up to the top and do the same thing that we did with the U by Design website homepage. We'll drag it in towards the center. And you can see that with this website, the content disappears. It does not change shape. It does not wrap or stack. It merely disappears. This means that if you were viewing this website, this web page, on your smartphone, you would have to pinch and zoom to get to all of the content on the page. And again, this would not be a very good experience compared to a web page or a website that is built in the responsive framework. So now that you know how to do that, you can go to your own website or your favorite website and check it out and see if it's responsive. Okay, thanks for listening, and we'll see you on the next video tutorial.